Quickly measure signal strength, map indoor frequency levels and identify peak antenna alignment with the SureCall RF Signal Meter. Use this handy install tool to optimize installation by measuring signal levels for LTE, AWS, PCS and cellular frequencies for all North American cell carriers. Identify dead zones and map coverage needs in real time. Measure outdoor signal levels to determine the ideal location for outdoor antenna placement. Identify peak antenna alignment by connecting the meter directly to the antenna using the provided cable. Screen display. The top line displays detecting mode, see Table 1, below, and battery life. The second line displays detecting band. The third line displays detecting block in Mode I, detecting frequency in Mode 2 and detecting band's frequency range in Mode 3. The fourth line displays the detected dBm. Keypad functions. The light switch button has two functions. To turn the backlight on or off, press quickly once. To change the detection mode, press the button for a longer period of time. Mode I detects the power strength of one frequency block. Mode 2 detects the power strength of one frequency point with 5 MHz band. Mode 3 detects the total frequency power strength of one band. Top reviews from the United States. Necessary for bad cell reception. I bought a Cell Fi Go X and Long Ranger. You can see the signal strength as you position the antenna. If you don't have one, it is pure guesswork. Now the neighbors want to rent it from me.